Alright, I'm going to start this project basically from the inside out. And what I mean by that is I've got my shape here for my plexiglass, and it's also the same outside shape for my back, which is what I'm going to cut first out of this 1/2-inch Baltic birch. So what I found is when I laid my tape out, I've got to cut it from two different directions. About maybe 3/4 of it cut this way. I come back over here and cut it back down that way, and then come up on top, turn the shaper around so it has tape to read and do this. Alright, very little mess, and I'm pretty much free except for the parts I left here. So I'm just going to cut those away, these little tabs. That's it. Over here I didn't think I was cutting all the way through, but the problem is I was cutting my backer board, and that gave me kind of a false impression that I had not gone all the way through. It's the same color. Alright, let me get my tape measure out here and measure these dimensions. 34 right on the nuts. 19 1/4, beautiful. Alright. So there's my back piece. And off of that I will build my frame and then my plexiglass to go in the front as well. Okay, my light strip arrived the other day, and the good news is it works, and this allows me to determine where I want to put this power pack and then the sensor for the remote control. So you can turn it on and off with the remote, and then you can pick solid colors here if you want, which is kind of cool. Then there's modes to change it to different cycles if you want to just go 2 colors, 3 colors, all the colors, whatever. So this is pretty awesome for 20 bucks. Pretty good deal. Alright, so here's the beauty of building this from the inside out. I've got this now to use as my basically a big marking gauge, and what I want to do here is this side is going to be cut to match the top. I'm going to get this, I'm going to use this piece. Oh, okay, fell off my platform there. I'm going to use this piece to get this side and then wrap around this little top piece. So I'm going to let the bottom run just a little long so that I have enough material up on top here to work with. And I like the rabbet that I cut. That's nice. With just a little finger pressure, I'm able to tighten everything up. So that'll be good. Don't think that's worth messing with. Boy, oh boy, that's really, really close. When I press it tight, it opens up here just a little bit. Which means my angle has to change. Has to get a little bit steeper. Open. I gotta take a little bit more off the inside. Just a hair. Okay, I tweaked my angle just a little bit and I like the fit, and I went ahead and cut the second side here. And now this piece is very small, and so I'm going to cut it a little oversized and just kind of keep taking little nibs off of it until I get the fit that I like. Then we'll go from there.